Hi, my name's Colin Jones and I run Roualeyn Fuchsias. I work here with my parents Douglas and Gwyneth Jones and my daughter Bethan. Bethan's come into the business now and she's taken on flower shows herself this year and is doing very well. We grow all fuchsias, all types of fuchsias here. We have hardy, basket and bush varieties as well as triphylia and Incleandra types. We mainly sell our fuchsias through the flower shows and we attend all the major shows for the year. We also have an online shop and that's going very well. We're sending an awful lot of plants now through the post. We went into fuchsias from my father's hobby. It was a part-time hobby that grew and grew. I was very fortunate. They sent me to college where I trained in horticulture and I've been now showing and growing fuchsias for over 30 years with them. It's been a lot of fun over the years. We've seen and done many shows and it's been great fun over the years. We're trying to change our displays and we're having younger looking displays with a fuchsia carousel featuring at many of their shows now. With nice new modern packaging, we're hoping to appeal to a younger audience. So for the master grower display, we've grown specific plants for this one. We've grown mainly basket varieties for the display, and then we're also featuring much heavier than usual on hardy varieties. So we've grown some huge 20-litre pots of hardy varieties. All these plants have been propagated here at the nursery in North Wales. We grow around 400 varieties of fuchsias in all different types. There's great interest at the moment in hardy fuchsias. We have a huge range of those, but also we've got more unusual varieties like the species varieties and the Incleandra type varieties as well. The Incleandra type varieties have the very, very tiny flowers and often hardy as well. With all our hardy fuchsias, we try them out ourselves, and we've often gone down to -17 or so in the garden, and they come through every time. They're okay as long as they're in a well-drained soil and will tolerate very low temperatures then. We also have triphylia type fuchsias. They have very long, often orange, red flowers, very long tubular type flowers, and they're very popular too. We do a range of basket varieties. They're very useful for hanging baskets. We're also releasing 2 new varieties here at the show, named after my daughter Esmay and my niece Ela. These will be on the display and available for selling as well at the show.